everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm uploading my first video of this food blog. Today I will show you a very simple technique of making noodle at home. Because of this lockdown, we don't want to order food from outside, so we want to make it at home, right? So I will show you how to make this noodle with three ingredients, basic ingredients, that is all-purpose flour, or you can use whole wheat flour, okay? But I'm using all-purpose flour, soda and salt. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment down below. Now let's take 250 gram of flour. Just make a space, okay, to put some salt. You take half teaspoon of salt added, then 1 teaspoon of soda, then 90 ml of water as of now. If you think you need little bit of water, you can just sprinkle it and then mix it. Then mix it well to form a dough. Now we are done making dough. Let's cover it with plastic wrapper and then keep it aside for 2 hours. Now 2 hours completed. Let's check the dough. It's become very soft and smooth, very nice. So it's ready. So we have to do a kneading once more. Okay, let's do it. So before kneading, please spread some Maida flour so that it doesn't stick while kneading. Now the dough has become very smooth and nice, though it's a hard dough, and we need hard dough for noodle making. And now it's almost ready. Now we can chop this into half. I'm going to chop this into half so that I can spread it properly, thin, nice spread. Okay, let's chop it into 2 parts, and one we will keep aside. Wrap it with the plastic foil paper and keep that aside. Now I am done with this spread. It's become very thin sheet, so it will be nice. Now let's fold it. Okay, let's fold it properly. So while folding, you have to be very careful. Every fold you have to sprinkle flour. Okay, sprinkle it nicely and fold it properly till the end, and we will chop it once it is done. While chopping also, you have to be very careful. Your hand should be softly put on the fold while chopping, and use the sharp knife so that it is properly chopped.
done with the chopping. So let's unfold it. Before unfolding it, you have to sprinkle some flour so that it doesn't stick, and it's become very nice. See? Now it's become very nice noodle. Now we can make chowmein. Either it is veg or non-veg, it depends on you. Let's make it. Now let's make vegetable chowmein from that noodle which we made it. Okay, let's chop some vegetable and make noodle. Now I have chopped some vegetables like button mushrooms. 4 I took and chopped it, and then some celery, then some orange bell pepper and green bell pepper. You can add any other vegetable you like, and then now carrot and leek. If you don't use it, it's okay. And then chop some garlic, ginger chopped, and onion chopped. Now we will start preparing it. Just put on the stove, and it should be in high flame, and put 2 tablespoons of oil and spread it the vessel nicely. Spread, because I don't want to use too much of oil. Now add garlic, then add some salt for taste and stir it nicely. We should not cook more than 3 minutes in high flame. So we need to put now soy sauce, dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark sauce. Then stir it nicely. Put some black pepper. Now put 2 spoons of peri sauce and then stir it. See this, it's half cooked done. So we will just remove it in a plate and keep it up. Now boil the water. In that boiling water you have to put this noodle and cook for 2 minutes. Now it's almost done. So now we will pour some cold water and strain it using a strainer and keep it aside until we put some oil and fry it. Just fry the noodle for some time in a little bit of oil and put all the vegetable which you kept aside, and it's done.
These noodles are made by mom and it's really tasty. You should try it at home. I'd give this a 10 out of 10.